Hello guys and welcome to this video about Autodesk, and today I'm going to explain what is Autodesk and where you can use it for. So Autodesk is really for architecture, engineering and construction. So it has tools for designing, planning and managing buildings and infrastructure. And it's also for product designing and manufacturing and also media and entertainment. So you got a lot of tools in here. Let me show. For example, if you go in here and you want engineering, you got top products like AutoCAD that is in the real estate. A lot of developers in the real estate are using this just to show like the houses or the outcome of the project. So let me show you if there's a example here. For example, here you can see what the building will look like, and also for example you can draw this and it will show you how it looks like. But also if we do the normal AutoCAD, here you can see the design, so you can fully design a building and you can show it to your clients. There's also efficient workflows if you want to. You got design bit, and also you can manage the designs and assign people to it. And here we go. So these are the different versions. So you got the AutoCAD and the AutoCAD LT, and some are limited functions, and the AutoCAD is the full one. And so you can get your 2D creativity to 3D, and there are more products. Let me go back. So AutoCAD is like the software for 2D to 3D, and Fusion 360, as you can see right here. Let me see. Fusion right here is integrated CAD, CAM and KA software for product designing. And you also have, for example, Revit. Let me show you right here. That is a BIM tool, so building information modeling. That's like a tool where architects, engineers, product designers can all work in one tool. So for example, if you are the plumber and you want to see the pipes in the as a real estate developer or as like a interior designer, you can see all the same tools at once. So you can share everything, and it helps the architects and engineers in one project, and you can easily collaborate. So as you can see here are the pipes. And also if there's like a tool missing in the building, for example, or a window is broken, you can easily see in here which you have to order again just to fix the broken problem. And here you can see, so it works better together. Let's go back. And here are more tools, as you can see. So for media and entertainment there are different tools. For the engineering also, for example, 3ds Max is a software. It's for creating high quality 3D animations and visual effects, and you can also do a free trial if you want to. So let's see right here. This is something you can create with it, or like this, like a game. There are a lot of things you can create with it. And here you can see 3D designs with powerful tools, high quality renders, and that's the 3ds Max tool. Then let's go back to products, and you also have, for example, Inventor, and these are tools for designing, prototyping, managing and the manufacturing process. So here you can see every little screw in it, empty full system working. So that's a brief overview. You can also buy the tools in there, but you can also do a free trial for every tool if you want to, and just try it out yourself. So I know I'm myself in the real estate business, and I know a lot of construction workers here are using BIM and AutoCAD, because these are great things for the construction site. So how to buy, let's go over that real fast. You have different kinds of plans for Autodesk. For example, you have the standard, the premium and the enterprise one. Here you can buy it. The collaboration, here you can see all the differences between them, and also here the minimum description. It doesn't have minimum requirements and so forth. So that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them below. Thank you for watching.